So it's Tuesday morning, and I'm here in Eneabba, just packed up, ready for my third riding day in a row. A relatively easy day today with only 40 kilometers or so to ride, and it's nice and early, so I should get away and hopefully, unlike some of the other days, we'll hope for a nice beautiful ride with gentle tailwinds. It's not going to happen. It's an icy cold. It's quite an icy cold headwind that I'm going to face on the trip, but it's not very strong just yet. So we'll try and get going before that wind picks up too much more. Yeah, had a good time here at the Whereaway Tavern. Eva shouted me dinner, and I raised a couple of $100 in town, even though it was extremely quiet in town and virtually no one at the pub. That's okay. It meant that I could have a nice shower and a nice relax and a good night's sleep. Apart from the howling wind that was buffeting the tent all night, it was a pretty good sleep actually. So yeah, onward and upward. So it's way colder than I expected, and I had to rug up, put my jacket on, put my windbreaker on, and put my neck scarf on and pull it up over my face. The breeze is absolutely freezing. Unbelievable for this time of year. Anyhow, I'll keep forging on. It looks lovely. I'm sitting here in the sun right now. It feels pretty good, but yeah, it's a bit chilly out on the road. Yep, so I have finally made it back to Indian Ocean Drive after a 300 kilometre inland detour because the road behind us is closed for roadworks between Dongara and Lehman. So I've come down this road here from Eneabba, and just behind me on this side is a road out to the ocean. So I've finally hit the ocean road, or the Indian Ocean Drive, which is pointing me in the direction of Perth, and unfortunately for today into the direction of some headwinds as well, but all good. Just met a nice young gentleman here, Zach from Brisbane, just looking after the roads for us, so there's the entrance to the works area, and yeah, about 15 kilometers to go to get to my next camping spot, so all good. Here I am, right on the Indian Ocean, on Indian Ocean Drive, just a couple of kilometers out of Lehman, riding into a rather stiff headwind, but still smiling because it's so good being able to be out here and ride out from the bucking booting all the way out to the ocean. So yeah, beautiful day, ride's nearly over, awesome.